WBA stock analysis, Wednesday and onwards. Am I buying? Watch this 1-minute video on WBA stock analysis till the end. Find out whether I'm buying or not. So 10% down. Walgreens Boots Alliance stock for me had like a deeper retracement. Generally speaking, this is how my chart looked like. Context, I've done 35,000 videos. I spent thousands on courses, mentors, documented everything. And it was in a no man's land. And then it shifted above. So then I just kind of abandoned the stock. But then it shifted lower yet again. So ultimately what might be happening is the price... give me this first break here. If there's a second break beneath 1076, then and only then I'll take things low. But other than that, everything else would be noise, you know. So I will continue to keep you updated. Like, this is only gonna really be like short for me, short selling me this thing. Like, what am I? I'm dyslexic in speaking, man. But if it gives me a second break here, then and only then I'll take it short. As long as it's inside this is still in no man's land. Whatever it breaks, like, it's as long as it's in between the high and the low. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description.